Welcome to this little bonus lesson. We're doing same to both sides again because I think it's so important to practice, and I know a lot of students find it difficult, and it is difficult, but once you finally get your hand around it, a lot of maths is much easier. So pause the video, have a go in your own time, see you back here in a second when I will show you my answers. Okay, let's do the first one. Let's do the minus. If it's a minus, if it's a minus or a plus, you do it once to each side. So that's just 12 minus x minus 3 equals 3y minus 3. These two here are numbers, so I can combine them. 12 minus 3 is 9, so I end up with 9 minus x equals 3y minus 3. That is the final answer. Can't simplify any further. Now let's do the plus. Same thing again. Do it once to each side because it's a plus or a minus. Similarly, we can combine the 12 and the 3, which will make 15 minus x equals 3y plus 3. Now let's do the divide. Because it's a times or a divide, we do it once to each object, once to each thing. So it'll be 12 divided by 3 minus x divided by 3 equals 3y divided by 3. Now here we can do some cancelling on the fraction, which is something, well, it's a thing. Obviously, you can go and find some extra practice on that if you need. Those threes cancel. So that's the final answer there. Now we're going to do times. Times is obviously one of times or divide, which means you do it once to each thing. So it's 3 times 12 minus 3 times x equals 3 times 3y. So I'm going to simplify that as 36, because 3 times 12 is 36, minus 3x equals 9y. There we go. Three more examples of same to both sides.